Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. So you know that we are doing chapter 13 magnetic effect of electric current. Today we will do the new topic, that is electromagnetic induction. Before starting the topic, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. Moreover, you can see these videos on school website home tutorial page. You know that Hans Christian Ørsted was a scientist who has proved that when electric current is flowing through a conductor, it shows the magnetism. So does it opposite is also possible? Ki whenever we will keep a magnet near to the coil, can it produce a electric current? So this thing clicks in the mind of Michael Faraday. So Michael Faraday was the scientist who has introduced the new thing, that is whenever magnet is there and a coil is there, so it can produce the electric, it can induce the electric current. He has done with the help of an activity. Let's see that what he has done. In the activity, first of all, he has taken a coil, clear, wrapped on a non-conducting material. He was having a coil and AB, he has given the name to the coil. And what he has done, he has taken a bar magnet. So he has brought like a bar magnet, he was having north polarity and south polarity. And to detect the presence of the current, he has connected this coil, AB coil, to the galvanometer. What is galvanometer? Galvanometer is a device which is used to measure the electric current, who is having the 0 at the center marking. Like this, you can see that galvanometer, here is the 0 and the readings are on this side also, and this needle can deflect on both these sides. So it shows the direction of the current flowing clockwise or like anti-clockwise. So he has connected this to the galvanometer to check the presence of the current. So earlier there was the needle at the center. So he has brought first of all the magnet near to it. So when he has brought near to it, he has nothing observed when it is kept stationary. But when he has taken this magnet in motion, when he has taken this magnet is in motion, bar magnet in motion. So what he has observed, momentary, the galvanometer deflect towards the right side. Very fast, momentary, it deflected towards the right side. Now after that, what he has done, he has taken away the magnet. What he has done again, he has taken away this magnet. इस magnet को दोबारा से क्या किया? Slowly he has taken the magnet away. Again it is in motion, but in opposite direction this time. So what he has observed, that time the deflection is towards the left. So what does it he has observed? Ki whenever there is a relative motion between the coil and the magnet. So before that, giving this point, he has thought in his mind that kept the magnet stationary and let us bring the coil. So at that time, the magnet is at rest, stationary. He has brought the coil. What he has brought? He has brought this coil near to the, like I am showing you with different color, this coil wrapped on this AB end to the galvanometer connected. So he has brought this near to this. This time coil is in motion and coil is in motion and magnet is at a rest. So again he has observed when coil is in motion, there is a momentary deflection in the galvanometer towards right, and when he has taken the coil away, then it is again towards the left side, momentary. So he has concluded from these two concepts that whenever there is a relative motion between the bar magnet and the coil, that it induces a current in the coil. Means this phenomena he has given the name कि whenever there is a relative motion between the coil and the magnet, it can induce the current, and this phenomena is known as electromagnetic induction. What he has given the name? Electromagnetic induction. Actually, why this happen? What he has said that whenever we are bringing the coil near to the bar magnet, what happen because of that? The current is induced. So let's see this. You know that whenever you are having a bar magnet, north or south pole, around it's have the magnetic field lines like this. You know that north to south magnetic field lines are there. Clear? So these magnetic field lines around a bar magnet is there. When he has brought this bar magnet in motion near to this north and south, so what happened? The strength like this, the strength of the magnetic field lines, magnetic field, the strength inside this coil get changed. Magnetic field strength inside it get a change. It increases when it is in motion inside it. So it deflected towards this magnetic field get strength increases, and due to the change in magnetic field strength inside this coil and they are in motion, so the charges comes in, electron inside this wire comes in motion and it deflected towards the right. Or when the bar magnet is taken away, so the strength of the field lines get decreases. So whenever that time it deflected towards the left. So because of that change in this magnetic field strength perpendicular to this, so it changes, the strength increases or decreases. So due to that change it induces the current in the coil. So this phenomena was given by the Michael Faraday and he has given this name electromagnetic induction. For today this is there, this activity. So let's you have to do this. So let's do see a little video related to that.